Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. You
Where you from?
from Ghana?
Ghana. Yeah, Ghana. I'm from Jamaica. I love Ghana.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. You know Vibes Cartel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? You're cute.
Thank
You-
you.
all the girls in Ghana are beautiful as you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Wow. Yeah, you have big nyash?
yeah, they have.
Do you have?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I don't believe you. I don't
You will
believe you.
pay. You
Eh?
will pay. If you want to see you, you will pay.
Where can I pay?
Mm, how much are you going to pay?
How much it is? I don't know how much it is. I'm willing. Huh? Where can I pay? Where can I pay though? Where can I find you?
You will come to my country.
I come to your country.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but that will already cost me, and then I still would have to pay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, all right. The FBI will call that sex trafficking, so I can't. But if I was in another world, I would.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
So how old are you?
I'm 23.
23.
Mm-hmm.
23. You have you have nice lips.
Thank you.
Hmm. Can I get a 360? One 360 for the camera. One three.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let me try. Let me try. Come in. Omega. Mm-hmm.
Hey, 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 hey! Nyash! Look at Nyash! Look at Nyash! Hey! Look at Nyash! Oh!
Why? Why is she?
Nice, 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 nice.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm
Man,
done.
man, look like I gotta come to Ghana, man. I gotta take that trip to Ghana. Can you cook?
So you come to Ghana?
I have to make the money first.
Okay.
Yeah, we can make the money, make some money. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a lady, so I'm supposed to know how to cook.
Oh, okay. That's good.
That Daddy. See what you cost to me. Ah, Daddy, 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 Daddy. Daddy, I'm sorry. I don't mean to do that. Daddy, good evening.
Where you say your father, you get into trouble, your father?
Yeah, I'm getting into trouble. Oh my god.
Tell daddy tell daddy I'm a good boy. Don't worry.
Yeah, good. Then tell Call him. He's listening to you. Daddy. Daddy, good evening.
Tell
So
daddy.
now I'm done the 360. When are you coming to play?
Hmm? When am I coming
I'm done
to
the 360.
when am I coming to Ghana?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna make some money and
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make some money and come to Ghana. Yeah?
And you come.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some money.
Okay.
You gonna show me around?
Show you where?
Show me around Ghana. You gonna take me around Ghana with you?
Yeah. I'm going to show you.
Hmm.
Ghana.
You gonna cook
I'll
for
show
me?
you Ghana.
Yeah. Nash, man. Nice Nash.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
You want me to cook? You
Hmm?
want me to cook for you?
Yes, what can you cook? What can you cook? Can you cook?
You want me to cook for you?
Yes. Yes, nice. Cook for me, baby.
Hey, and then the go for the share because
Yes, baby. What you gonna cook for me?
okay.
What you gonna cook for me? Tell me what
Then
you
let me
gonna cook
ask
for me.
permission from my dad first. Hey, dad, daddy mean the next week you can name for. What do you want?
Fish. What can you cook
What
in
you
fish?
want watch it?
Fish. Or chicken.
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta ask your dad for permission.